India is a land of incredible diversity. From the towering Himalayas in the north to the tropical shores of the south, the country encompasses a wide range of geographical features. These diverse landscapes have shaped distinct cultural identities and lifestyles. The fertile plains of the Ganges River are a stark contrast to the arid deserts of Rajasthan. The Western Ghats, a mountain range running along the western coast, create a lush and biodiverse region. In contrast, the Deccan Plateau in central India presents a drier and hotter environment. This varied geography plays a crucial role in understanding the patterns of population distribution across India. The availability of resources, climate conditions, and economic opportunities vary significantly from one region to another. These factors heavily influence where people choose to settle and build their lives. As a result, India's population is not evenly spread out, but concentrated in areas that offer favorable living conditions and opportunities. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, one of the world's most fertile regions, stands out as the most densely populated area in India. This vast plain, nourished by the Ganges and its tributaries, has been a cradle of civilization for millennia. The availability of water for irrigation makes it ideal for agriculture, supporting a large population. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is home to some of India's most populous states, including Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. This high population density has significant implications for resource allocation, infrastructure development, and social services. The concentration of population in this region also presents both opportunities and challenges. The abundance of human capital can drive economic growth. However, it also puts a strain on resources and can lead to overcrowding and environmental concerns. India's urban landscape is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Cities are magnets, drawing people from rural areas in search of better opportunities and a different way of life. This migration fuels the growth of megacities, urban areas with populations exceeding 10 million. Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata, each home to tens of millions, exemplify the opportunities and challenges of urban life in India. Mumbai, a bustling metropolis on the Arabian Sea coast, is India's financial and entertainment capital. Delhi, the nation's capital, is a melting pot of cultures and a center of power. Kolkata, a historic port city, is renowned for its intellectual and artistic heritage. These urban giants offer a vast array of jobs, education, and healthcare facilities, attracting people from all walks of life. However, rapid urbanization also brings about challenges like housing shortages, traffic congestion, and pollution. While megacities dominate the headlines, it is crucial to remember that the majority of India's population still resides in rural areas. Agriculture remains the backbone of the Indian economy, providing livelihoods for a significant portion of the population. The relationship between rural and urban India is multifaceted and constantly evolving. Rural to urban migration continues to shape the demographic landscape of the country. This movement of people impacts both the sending and receiving areas, influencing social structures, economic activities, and cultural practices. Understanding the dynamics between rural and urban India is crucial for policymakers to address challenges related to poverty, inequality, and sustainable development. As India continues to develop, striking a balance between the needs of its rural and urban populations will be paramount.